Grand is a great one. We use it all the time. It's a great phrase. We use it, say, how are you doing? Sure, I'm grand. How am I doing, Laura? Ask me how am I doing.
How are you doing, Aidan?
Grand, yeah. How are you?
Oh, grand.
Oh. Good stuff. That's great. You did well. You did well there with that one.
Okay,
She's a real natural for a Finnish girl. She's a real natural. What part of Ireland is Finland in? It's a useful phrase. It's probably the most useful phrase we have here in Ireland for everything. How did you get on today? Grand. Where are you going tomorrow? Well, I'm going off now for a drive out in Galway. Well, that should be grand, I'd say. If you're worried about something, you might say, I have that exam tomorrow, and I tell you what, I'm not prepared for it. You'll be grand. Don't worry about it. You'll be grand. You'll be all right. Sure, look, you'll be fine. I don't. I might fail. Who knows? Just you'll be grand.